Hi, welcome back to the channel. Sorry, another massive delay between the videos. I am trying, but these do take time. Anyway, let's get to the point. This video is on our new car, project car, with the decontamination and machine polish. Well, let's get into it, and I'll talk you through what we're doing as we go along. I'll try to put all the links down below for all the products and chemicals that we've used. Cheers! Iron forward. As you just seen, spraying iron forward. All these red bits, it's a contaminants that's in the paintwork after the wash. So what I'm going to do here, just got to get a microfibre or sorry, a wash mitt, just agitate it to make it work a wee bit extra. Now it's been washed, now followed with the contaminants, tar and glue to move in the tar. Get this all over the car windows. Let's see what we've got. So that's the tar of the car. As you can see, ain't very much tar. Actually, I was quite expecting a wee bit more than what there is. So as the tar and glue is doing is just dissolving any tarts from the car to make it easy to come off. So far I've done the tar and glue, rubbed it in to agitate it to get all the tar off. I've rinsed the tar off with the power washer and just gave it a layer of snow foam just to try and help to remove any other chemicals of the tar and glue from the bodywork before we start the machining. Oh sorry, we'll need to do the clay bar first, then we'll get machined. Will be tomorrow. So that's it, been clayed. Yes, it looks like it's got some protection on it. That's with some details lube, front and bottom chemicals, and Infinite Wax fine clay bar. Badges will be coming off tomorrow. So here we are, day 2 of my car, new used car. It's been contaminated yesterday, washed, detarred, iron fallen out, clay barred. Today I'm going to get it machine polished, get the machines out, I'll get set up, then I'll take you around so you can see what I'm working with. Right, so here's what we've got to do with. Scratches go right along the top. stuff like this. I don't think the boot should come out, not entirely sure, but soon see. As we get on, it's pretty faded as well, depending on which way you look at it. Not sure, that might have to be repainted. Yeah, you can see it just there. Let's fill her up. Blemishes in the paint, I don't think that'll come out. So one major touch up at some point. Wheels that need refurbed, get done at some point. So what we're going with, microfibre pad, heavy cut. Scratching through it eliminates the small scratches and sanding marks. And we'll just get the pad primed and we'll get started. Right, I'll just show you what's left. Turn it around. Yeah. Sort of what we have. These things are sort of came out. Just try to do as much as I can without wet sanding. What comes out comes out. If not, I'll just need to take it to my good old friend Daniel and I'll get wet sanded and get repolished. There you go. A single stage across the top, the sides. Focus. Roof had a bit of a correction, 2-3 stage correction without the sanding to remove the scratches. Hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to subscribe, like and comment, leave your thoughts down below, and we'll see you in the next one.